In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a color-changing text effect. After setting up your text, go to the Effects panel and type Tint in the search box. Under the Color Correction folder, double-click on the tint effect and add it to the text layer. In Effect Controls panel, under the Tint Effect panel, add a keyframe for Map White 2. If your text is black, then you will add a keyframe for Map Black 2. Keep your playhead at the start and change the color from white to your liking. Now move the playhead 15 frames forward by pressing Shift and right arrow key 3 times and change it to another color of your choice. Repeat the process and change to as many colors as you want. To create a loop of the same colors, you can copy and paste the keyframes at the end of the last keyframe. To speed up the colors changing effect, you can lower the gap in between. It can be a gap of 5 or 10 frames. If you have already created the color changing effect and want to increase or decrease the speed, then you can right-click on the text layer and create a nested sequence. After that, again right-click on the text layer and select Speed. Now increase or decrease the speed as you like. That is it. You have successfully created a color-changing text effect. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.